Hey, hi folks. Do you know which is one of the most important and useful skill to be successful in life? Well, it is your own self-discipline. Your own self-discipline, which actually gives you stability as well as structure in your life. It is actually a way of life because it helps you in monitoring how you are doing on a day-to-day basis. It actually nurtures your own behavior. So self discipline is equal to self control. And self control is a great sign of how strong you are internally. It builds your inner strength. It helps you in achieving better control on yourself, on your actions, as well as your reactions. I have seen a lot of people who lack discipline on a day to day basis in their routine lifestyles. If you visualize your own life from morning to evening, what you typically go through, you will be in a position to understand what are the kind of areas or activities that you do which actually weakens your own self discipline. What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you have breakfast? Do you take your medicines on time? Do you have your food on time? Have you taken that step that is required to be healthier by either going for a walk or hitting the gym? Well, during the time of Corona, obviously, your own houses have become your own gym centers. So, are you taking that time out for yourself? All that is part of your own self discipline. If one is self disciplined, one can actually manage both procrastination as well as laziness in a beautiful manner. Do you know to persevere in life with your own decisions, what you have decided to do, and to accomplish what you have actually strived to do, you need self discipline. If you have any vision for yourself, for you to be successfully be in a position to achieve your vision, one of the most important skill set is your own discipline. Well, a lot of times self discipline is a lot more important compared to even knowledge, communication, and any other skills as well. What are really the benefits of self discipline? Well, loads of them. It helps you to be focused, helps you in managing your own attitude by building self control attribute within yourself. You can have more time at your disposal. Have you heard about people who, when what time they hit office and what time do they leave back from office, how they actually spend their time throughout the day at their office? Well, they actually end up spending a lot of time in non-productive activities. You can actually be stress-free if you're self-disciplined. Are you able to resonate or think about those set of people who actually are latecomers to office every single day? And what happens to such people? Every time that the HR of those organizations gives feedback to such people, what happens at that point in time? Well, it hits their own self esteem. It loses their self confidence, saying, why am I late? Well, they haven't done what they were supposed to do. Why is it that sportsmen and athletes always attract us? What is so special in them? It is their self discipline. It is their self discipline which determines their own behavior, their attitude towards life. If you have a disciplined life, you can achieve anything that you have strived to achieve. To give you a classic example, now that we live in a digital era, it takes actually a lot of discipline not to let social media steal your time. Can you resonate with this? A lot of our time on a day to day basis actually just gets spent into these things which we don't even realize. So, for you to be productive, You need to really monitor how you are spending your time. Develop and embrace this skill into yourself by monitoring what you have strived to achieve on a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis and see how you're faring against them. How are you utilizing your own time every morning when you get up? What are your plans for the day? If you just take some baby steps in this direction, the benefits that you're going to derive out of this can only make you a better version of yourself. May God bless you. Cheers. Bye bye.